Welcome to a delicious, quick chocolate cake with chocolate chunks and Oreo cookies. Here's the ingredient list, also in the video description. I've added a blog link with all my recipes there too. We need 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all with a whisk. In another bowl, mix half cup sugar, cup of buttermilk, half cup oil, and 2 whole eggs. Whisk it all together. Combine dry and wet ingredients, but don't overmix to avoid a dense cake. Mix just until no dry flour is visible. The batter doesn't need to be smooth. Add 25 g of crushed chocolate to the mix. Dark or milk chocolate works fine. Pour into a 20 by 30 centimeters baking tray lined with parchment paper, spread evenly. Top with another 25 g of chocolate. If you prefer, you can add all 50 g inside. I'm topping it with mini Oreos, about 60 g. Put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. It's ready. Moist, quick and delicious. You must try it. Enjoy your meal.